How to fix ESRV_SVC_QuickReact cannot be found error in Windows. To fix ESRV_SVC_QuickReact cannot be found error in Windows, try 1. Remove Intel Driver Update Utility, IDUU, from Device Manager. Then install Intel Driver. And support assistant at https://www.intel.com/content/www/a/n/support/detect.html. 2. Stop the ESRV_SVC_QuickReact, aka Energy Server Service Queen Creek Service, from running in services.msc.